Look, yesterday I showed you how I had caught the AUD yen to the pip and it bounced off, and I showed you how I had taken partial profits, and that turned out to be a very good decision because this was where I took the profit yesterday, and this morning it dropped all the way through. Now this morning I have caught the NZD yen, and again this is same scenario, to the pip entry. 5 reasons: 55 EMA, 61.8 fib, below the whole number, 200 EMA, stop down here, trend line in place as well. Multiple reasons. Now again, I am getting twitchy on this. I have an initial stop on here of 30 pips. We are up 50. On a 4 hour it looks a bit bullish, but my concern is that it could turn around again like that AUD did. So I am going to take 50% off and let this balance to run. I need to go out now anyway, so I'm going to have to do this. And to take your partial profit, you need to click on the open pet trade, and we're currently risking 1 lot, so we're going to close 0.50 on this. We've done that, and now to protect this trade we're going to move the stop to entry plus a few pips and let it run. And we're also going to take profit up here because I need to go out, so we're going to go a little bit below the whole number. So let's say we're going to go for 86.9, and if I get back later and I think it could still go further, I may move that a little higher. Okay, so that's 2 perfect entries, pre-planned, multiple reasons for taking the trade, profitable trades. Catch you later.